Indomie is every student go-to meal. Fast, tasty and filling. But during this holiday, let's make it smarter, Gen Z. Instead of just boiling noodles plain, how about boosting the nutrition with 7 powerful green veggies? After satisfying your cravings, you will also discover that you will fuel your brain for the next school season. Stick around as I show you how to make Indomie that's not just delicious but also supercharged for your health. Alright, these are the list of my prepared ingredients. I have the list in the description below. So, it's time to cook. I first of all come into my pot on the fire with the green beans. Add a little pinch of salt and allow to boil for like a minute. Because it takes longer to cook, I start with it. So next come in my spring onion, my scent leaf, green bell pepper, chili pepper and Scotch bonnet pepper, and of course the green cabbage. I mix everything together and then bring in the little quantity of water that is enough to cook my noodle. So this is the noodle. I'm using just one super pack Indomie noodle. So I gently cut it in and add the seasoning. I use all the seasoning because of the quantity of the veggies. So cover and allow to cook. While it's cooking, it's time to prep the egg. So break 2 eggs into a plate. Add a pinch of salt and also small seasoning. That's my curry leaf. I mix everything up till well combined. Did you know I am intentional about the combination of these veggies? Loaded with vitamins, minerals and antioxidants, these green veggies help support immunity, eye health and natural detoxification. Pair with eggs for quality protein and Indomie for instant comfort. This dish fuels your body while satisfying your taste buds. Over here, I'm here to check on my noodles that is cooking on the fire. As you can see, it's almost done, but I will allow the water content there to dry up. So easy and quick to cook Indomie, but adding veggies make it more nutritious. Can you see? If you enjoy this green inspired Indomie makeover, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notification. I've got even more easy nutritious recipes coming your way. Share this video with a friend who needs some color and flavor in their noodles. Alright, it's time to fry the egg. I come in with just 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. You can use any vegetable oil of your choice, and I will bring in the whisked egg. Allow it to cook on a low heat. Then flip over after about 2 minutes. Allow it to cook properly before bringing it off the fire. Alright, our egg is ready. I'll just pick the egg and drop it on my yummy noodles. Ẹ̀yin tèmi Gen Z, báyìí ni kẹ́ ṣe máa jẹ Indomie o. Don't be munching Indomie without veggies. Take a look at this sumptuous meal. If you are an adult and you are watching this video, this is how to take your noodles. I am an adult and this is the way I take my noodles. Okay, it's time to test our food. This Indomie is delicious, even just looking at it. So let me just have a taste. Will you try my green veggies noodles recipe? Let me know in the comment below. And lest I forget, it's delicious. Can you do? Will you try it? Will you try my green veggies noodles recipe? Let me know in the comment below. And lest I forget, please like and share with your friends. And if you have not subscribed, please do. I love you.